I want to discuss product and quantity restrictions on a Synergy controller. For the FSC 3000 controller, we had product restrictions and quantity restrictions, and they were two different drop-down lists. So you could select unleaded only, and you could select 100 gallons, and that works fine if you're looking for one product in one quantity. But if you have multiple products, now you're limited to one single selection on the quantity restriction. So for, say, if I had unleaded and diesel and I had a quantity restriction of 100 because I needed to be able to fuel something with 100 gallons of something, well, now I got to be able to fuel 100 gallons of unleaded and 100 gallons of diesel, where I may only needed 100 gallons of diesel and I needed 20 gallons of unleaded. So Synergy solves that problem by allowing us to do multiple selections in one restriction. So let's go to product and quantity restrictions. That is under system configuration. And here we need to create a new group. So let's just label it. Let's do unleaded only. Want to add that. Okay, so now here we have a group name. So we're going to select that group, and then anything on the right here, we can add. So what we can do here is we can say unleaded 20. And if we wanted this only, we could say unleaded only 20. 20. And we could update to that, right? So then we would have a group that lets you select unleaded only 20. And that card would have this would be restricted to only 20 gallons with unleaded product code. Now, if we wanted to do multiple, right, obviously you'd want to change your name depending on what you would like this to be. But if we wanted to be able to do unleaded 20, but say diesel 100, we could come down here and we could find our diesel code. Let's say, well, this one's diesel 50, right? So say we're going to do unleaded 20 diesel 50. So we can add that. Oh, I got to uncheck this one. You can only add stuff that hasn't been added. And here we go. So now we have a code in of unleaded regular 20 and diesel number 2 50. And so if this person fuels, they'll be able to get 50 gallons diesel. They'll be able to get 20 gallons of unleaded. And this allows you to add multiple to one restriction group. So when you create your card, you could select this one group. Obviously, the name's going to need to be changed. But if we went in here, we could say, maybe we label it unleaded 20, diesel 50, or some sort of abbreviation that might be easier to see on that drop down list. So you could change your name, you could add different name here, and then create the group again. But this will allow you to select multiple. Now, these are just the available products down here and some various quantities. If you need to create one that doesn't exist, say we wanted this to be diesel 100, we could just remove it by just dropping this down. Now here we can create that code. So if we're going to do number 5 diesel here, and then we could put a quantity 100, add. That's not adding it to our restriction yet, but it's adding it to the available list of products down here. So once we add it to the list of products, then we will be able to select it as available restriction. So here it is down here at the bottom. So we go ahead and select that and then put it up here. So now we have unleaded 20, diesel number 2 at 100 gallons. And you could add as many as you like down here with different varied quantities and different things. And so at the end of the day, if you have a bunch of different types of restrictions, you can have groups, multiple product with multiple different values. If you ever need to create a product that is, you have a product restriction, say unleaded only, but you need the quantity to be unlimited, what you could do is you could create a very high number here, like 99,999, for example. And you're just not going to hit this quantity limit, right? So they'll be able to fuel, and they'll never hit this limit. So that would be one way that you could get around. And you could say, like, unleaded, no limit. And you could this product, and then you could to your list and just have that one singular thing of unlimited and a high limit. So that would be one way that you could do that if you're using product restrictions without quantity restrictions. And I just wanted to show you the differences of, what's on the Synergy versus what's in the FSC 3000. So you do have that minor change of being able to now create group and to be more granular with how you're setting product restrictions.